Time in Washington, big news for anyone who takes medication. Your trip to the pharmacy could get a little cheaper. President Trump says he's setting a 30-day deadline for drug makers to lower the cost of prescription drugs. And it's all part of a sweeping executive order that he is expected to sign later today. 10 Your Side's Kagan Hughes tells us more.
Now, this is not the first time President Trump has tried to do this. After a failed attempt his first term, he's been talking about trying to do this even before he got back into office.
When I worked so hard in the first term, and if I got prices down, remember I was the only one to ever get prices down for a full year, but I'd get them down like 2%, and I thought it was like a big deal. Well, we're getting them down 60, 70, 80, 90%.
Today, President Trump did not say which medications the executive order will apply to, but claims the goal is to lower costs for patients.
Today, Americans spend 70% more for prescription drugs than we spent in the year 2000. Think of that. Our country has the highest drug prices anywhere in the world by sometimes a factor of 5, 6, 7, 8 times.
One person told 10 on Your Side, no matter your political affiliation, this could really help people's wallets.
It's good for a lot of people. A lot of people get on fixed income. And medicine ain't cheap now.
So how will this all work? The order says it will make the Department of Health and Human Services tie what Medicare pays for. Medications that have been ordered in a doctor's office to the lowest prices paid by other countries.
The principle is simple. Whatever the lowest price paid for a drug in other developed countries, that is the price that Americans will pay.
The pharmaceutical industry argued during Trump's previous attempt that the lower prices will hurt profits and affect innovation and its efforts to develop new medicines.
Big Pharma will either abide by this principle voluntarily or will use the power of the federal government to ensure that we are paying the same price as other countries. To accelerate these price restrictions and reductions.
Kagan Hughes, 10 on Your Side.